I'm going to give you a way to get started on your statics portion of this. The first part of it is you need to know, for instance, where points are on the excavator arms. So we're going to say that I want to know where point C is, and if this hydraulic cylinder, the piston arm on that, moves. So its pivot point is right here, and the pivot point for this boom here is at A00. So first thing to do is then to figure out, if this moves 10 millimeters, what's the location of C from this position. Then after that, you'll be able to find out what the position of G is, which is the pivot point for the bucket. So we'll just take things one at a time. And then down here, you see I gave you a spreadsheet. And what I did is I went on and I found out the locations, X and Y, if you will, just raw lengths. But they were in inches on my screen, and I figured out the scale factor, which is 3.01, to change it into meters. So here are the locations, and I didn't have my position or my spreadsheet shoved over to the right, but this is A, B, C, etc., all the way on down. You can look at the spreadsheet. And I did do 3 calculations here of lengths, and you can see how I did that too. And I did that so that we could find out what this angle in here is, which is this. So we got a line that's going to come through here. Let me do it as a straight line, and we want it red or something, about some terrible green. Okay, and we want it like that. Okay, now we're ready. Is that we're going to have that line there, and then we're going to have this line here, and that angle is fixed at 145 degrees. So that'll help you in your calculations of where G is at, and where B is at any given time or position. So that'll get you started. Thanks. Bye. I always have trouble